That is Prashna Shastra. We adopt Prashna Shastra where we will not get the birth chart or the natal chart of the person or company, whatever it may be. We will take the time when they visit our place, that time, and we will catch the Kundalini, and we will predict the things and we will suggest the things. Here involves the profile of the CEO, that is his birth chart, directors, chairman, and at what the date and time of the incorporation of the company. We will analyze all those things and we will suggest remedies that is based on astrology. It may sometimes the persons may be changed. So according to his birth chart, the company will. So here we will take the birth chart of the person who is contesting in politics and the time of the incorporation of that party and the president, secretary. We will consider those charts and we will do the examinations.
And the next one is also saying, how can they adapt to the nations and states?
Yes, it is very clear. The planets are major planets will rule the states and nations. One is Mars, another one is Saturn. So these two planets affect major drawbacks, changes, modernizing, and relating to business or development, whatever it may be. So Mars and Saturn, they are the key planets for this.
And the next question, what are all the remedies used for correction in one's natal chart? One person's natal chart.
Yes, here we follow japa relating to that planet, puja, and visiting the temples, and performing different homas that will correct the stability of the planets and improve their state.
And the upayas for astrology is manipulation of destiny or correction of the destiny.
No, it is not the manipulation. It is something like we are putting the antivirus to the virus. So the doshas is nothing but the virus. It will be shown in the natal chart. So we put antivirus in the form of homas, japas. So it will reduce. Hence we adopt the same in the computer science. Here also the virus attacks, we have to put the antivirus. It will clear to the tune of 60 to 70.
And Guruji, how Navagrahas are treated in astrology?
Basically, I can say all the planets are controlled by Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Maheshwara. They are nothing but part and parcel of those gods. In Vishnu Purana it says, it is incarnation of Vishnu, Dashavatara, that is in the form of planets.
And how Ketu and Rahu play a role in a natal chart?
Yes, they play a very, very important role, like a remote. Even though they are not in the Varaha Mihira's astrology, he considers only 5 planets according to him: Sun, Moon, Mars and Saturn one and the same, Mercury, and Jupiter and Saturn one and the same, and Venus. According to him, it is only 5 grahas relating to our Panchatattvas and Panchatattvas.
And why dashas are so effective and how they play a role in natal chart?
Yes, dashas are nothing but the current medical report of a man, like scanning, MRI, lab test. By doing the remedies, the defects will be clear.
And why grahas have a role in our life?
Yes, grahas, they are nothing but the charging or energy points in our body.
Okay.
It attracts all the positive energy from the nature. That is to say correctly, all the planets are in the macro form in the universe. In our body, it is in the micro. When the dashas are not good, so it attracts only bad effects from those grahas. For your kind information, all the planets emits good and bad rays, irrespective of the time and factor. So when the correction is made in our body, that planets receive the positive energy from that. And another thing I have to clear here, when we do the homas, it will not reach the planets in the universe. It makes the correction in the person to whom it is performed.
Guruji, my last question. How mind, body and soul related in astrology, and which planet play a role on it?
Yes. Soul is controlled by sun. We call it as king planet or Rajagraha. And mind is controlled by moon. We call it as Manakara. Next is
So,
body.
body. Okay.
Body is analyzed through Lagna of the person. So this can be easily compared to our atomic science. Proton, neutron, electron. So when we fuse all body, mind and soul to a certain time, it creates energy. That is nothing but atomic energy.
And my this thing, which planets play a role on it regarding this mind, body and soul?
Same, moon.
Moon,
Moon and sun. And the Lagna, who is the lord of that Lagna, who rules the